Hey guys, what is up? We are back for another daily workout this evening. So make sure for this workout particularly that you have a chair by you. Really, it's just because you can do this whole thing from a seating position. Essentially, you really don't need it like a chair in the sense of like to do some of these motions. Like you could do these standing, you could do different variations, kneeling even on the ground. But there are going to be some variations of this exercise that if you wanted to get an extra work in there, we are going to be utilizing this to kind of help us elevate our body for particular exercises of this sort. So on that note, guys, get ready and let's get right to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna get started off. So make sure we're taking a seated position here. We're gonna have our feet flat for this one, and all we're gonna do, have our arms straight out just like so, fingers up towards the ceiling, palms pushing out, and we're circling it forward. We're gonna do this for a minute straight, and you're focusing on small circles and really trying to make sure the arm stays shoulder level. Again, heels of the palm pushing out and fingertips up toward the sky, excuse me. There you go. About 20 seconds in. There you go. Keep it up, push the palms out. Halfway there. Remember, small, tight circles. If you can move faster with it while doing this, go for it. About 20 seconds left. There you go, posture up, arms up. 15 seconds. There you go. 10 more seconds, come on. Push the palms of the heels of the palms out. And 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. So we went forward with those circles. Now we're going to go backwards. So same idea, small, tight circles. Again, heel of the palm pushing out, fingertips facing towards the sky. And want to go for that full 90-degree angle right there. And just having nice, tight rotations. So let's get it going. Backwards it is. Same deal. Keep that shoulder level height up there. There you go. Back straight. 20 seconds in. There you go. Halfway there. Keep it up. Fingertips towards the ceiling. Keep pushing out. No, it gets tiring after a little bit. But keep imagining that you're pushing like two walls apart from you simultaneously as you're spinning your arms backwards. There we go. And 10 more seconds. Keep it up, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. Now, instead of circular motions, now we're going to be going into more of just pushing out the palms both sideways and up. So again, still emphasizing the heel of the palm, pushing out, fingers pulled back, hitting for those nice right angles on there with the wrist and the fingers, boom, and switching to opposite side. So we're just gonna do that, alternating, and go. So arms come in, and push out at the same time. Breathing out. About 20 seconds in. Shoulder height and directly over top. About halfway there, y'all got it. There you go. Fingers together, come on. 15 seconds. Posture up, back straight. There you go, less than 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice. Now, next thing we're going to be going for are slow tension movements. So for this one, you guys are going to go basically go slow as you can while keeping squeezing your muscles, going high, bringing the arms in, and going low, just like this. Okay, so we're doing it at the same time. So like you're trying to like squeeze out the energy, shooting up towards the ceiling, squeeze the energy, squeezing your fist, squeezing your muscles, popping it down to that low block, going up high. Over your head, going down low, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Down with the fist. Bring it up. Nicely done. And bring it down. Halfway there. All the way up, squeeze, 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 squeeze. And down. Boom. If you feel your muscles shaking there, you're probably doing it right. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Pop down low. Tight fist, come on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Up, up, up. And down we go again. 10 seconds. Keep it up. Last few. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. Now, from here, we're gonna go for, basically, we're gonna crunch your body in, kind of like we're trying to block our body from like some kind of impact of sorts, right? So hands are gonna be in, squeeze, tighten your core, elbows into your stomach. Then when we're done, we're gonna come out, outward squeeze, kind of like we're pushing something back with our forearms, and then repeat. So let's get it going, guys. Elbows to the center, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Bring it out, squeeze, 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 squeeze. 3 seconds-ish for each one. 1, 2, 3, back up. 1, 2, 3. And really tightening and tensing up your muscles. 2, 3, like you're bracing for impact. Same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, like you're biting someone that's trying to keep your arms closed. Back and forth. Halfway there, guys. And again, same thing. If you're feeling like your muscles starting to shake, like in your abdominals when you're bringing your elbow in and trying to keep everything tight. And same thing, if you feel a shake when you're going outward, you're doing this drill right. 10 more seconds. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. So from here, we're going to go into some striking now. So for this one, we're going to go for alternating punches. While we're doing this too, what you can do to play around with is basically alternating while you punch with your toe, basically going on the balls of your feet and lifting up your heel. So you can go for the standard punches, just like this. Boom, alternating, make sure that elbow's going back. Watch your chair if you have if you're sitting too close to the back, and just swapping back and forth. Let's get it going, and go. Boom. Switching it back and forth, and then if you feel like you're coordinated enough, try to do opposite hand and opposite foot. The foot comes up on the balls of the toe, heel comes off the ground, swapping back and forth. Halfway there. Keep it up. About 20 seconds left. 15. 10 seconds, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. So next thing we're going to go for now is going to be alternating chops from side to side. So be careful again with your sides here that you're not going to accidentally knock something off or in front of you, but we're literally going from one side right hand, hands come together, top hand on top is going to go out to the other direction. Striking hand on top, out to the other direction. Try it out, guys. Go. Boom. Directly to your side. Other hand, I like to have this one right below the belly button. About halfway there. 25 seconds left. About 15 more seconds. 10 seconds, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nicely done. So for this last bit, this is going to be a little bit more creative. So if you don't happen to have a chair that can support your weight, you can kind of just focus more on the upper body portion here. But if you are able to play around with like suspending your body in the air, go for it. So this one we're going to lean off towards the edge a bit here. What's going to happen is that we're going to go, if you have a chair that can support your weight, have it back just like so. We're going to reach it up, right hand, left hand, bend, bend, doing those tricep dips. Then we're going to go pick up our one leg, right, left, and then repeat the cycle again. So again, it's going to be right hand, left hand, Then you do the dips over here. Boom, boom, right? And then right, left, and then repeat the cycle. And again, with the kicks, you would be hanging off your chair just like so, and kicking up, trying to keep the legs straight, knees straight, and heels pushed out. If you don't happen to have a chair that can support your weight, what you can do instead while still seated is basically doing your palm strikes going upwards, just like so, upwards just like so. Instead of just do the dips, this one you can go for basically push-outs, basically. So you're going pushing out in front, pushing out to the side, and when your kicks here, all you're going to do, knee to the chest as high as you can, push out in front, knee to the chest, push out in front, and reset. So you got your variations. We're going to try it out for this last round. So again, right, left, dip, dip, kick, kick, or right, left, side, front, kick, kick. So hopefully you guys got that. Last round for the day. Let's get it going in 3, 2, 1, and go. So if you're hanging off, right, left, dip, dip, 1, 2, right, left, and repeat. Boom, boom, dip, dip, right, left, okay? 1, 2, dip, dip, swinging up the leg, keeping it straight. 1, 2, and repeat. You could do a kicking variation when you do bend the legs with this one, even when your body's suspended, boom. But if you want a little bit more difficulty, try swinging the leg up there instead. Halfway there. And again, for those at home that are doing it not with carrying the weight, right, right, left, push to the side, push to the front, kick, kick, okay? Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Almost there, 10 seconds. So left, palm, front, kick, kick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these sets of workouts. If you guys did, fantastic, let me know. If you have any questions about any of the exercises that we did, obviously reach out to me. But other than that, guys, great job. If this is your last circuit round of the day, but otherwise, if you got a few more rounds to go, you guys can do it. Keep on kicking, keep on pushing, and I'll see you for the next workout. Bye, guys.